everybody, and welcome back to iCode. So this is Leetcode bi-weekly contest 83 which came today, and I'm going to solve the easy problem based poker hand in this video. So let me go through first with the description, then we'll look at the test cases, and then I'll walk you through the solution. So the problem says is you given an integer array ranks and character array suites. You have 5 cards with the ith card has a rank of I and suite of the suite I. So okay, rather than just reading it, I'm going to give you quick intuition. So we have one array called rank, one array called suites. So each rank, the rank of I is the rank for that particular card, and suites of I is the suite of that particular ith number card. So flush is the highest ranked poker hand where 5 cards has the same suite. So in this case there are 5 same suites so whenever we're gonna return flush, we're going to check the suite first because that's the first rank. Then 3 of a kind, 3 cards of the same rank. For this we have to check the rank array to return this rank. So the cards with the same rank, suppose here more than 3, so we have 4 4 4 and again 4. So the highest rank here is 3 of a kind because we do not have flush with the 5 same suite. Pair is similarly 2 cards of the same rank, so that would be this case. Pair, we have one pair with same rank, and no pair with three same ranks, and not even the 5 same suite. Probably I'm explaining this more, but just to be sure. High card is just a one single card, so if none of this works out, what we're going to return is the high card. Quickly going to check the constraints here. So suite length, it's going to be the same length, okay, 13, and we can only have 1 to D suite. Okay, so what I'm thinking here is to start checking each rank, so one by one. So first, second, third, fourth rank, check for the each condition. So for first one, we need to check the suites if they have the 5 same suites. Second one, we need to check the rank. Same goes for the 3, we need to check the rank, and else is the fourth. If nothing, then we return fourth, right? We return 4 in else, right? Which is last one. Okay, so let me go ahead, and so we need the count basically for both of the we need count. So count of these and count of these, right? So I can go ahead, use the collection counter, that's easy, but you can create your own dictionary and do that. But since we can do it in Python, I'm going to go ahead and okay, so rank is your rank, which is collections dot counter, and we're going to pass is ranks, so that will give you the ranks. And then we have suite, and which is going to be same collections dot counter and suites, right? So first, one thing to check even before taking this, if this length is not more than 5, if it is but yeah, they say that okay, length is going to be 5, so we're good. Okay, so we don't have to check that. So after this, so let's see now. For we're gonna iterate over the suite first to return the fifth top, not fifth actually, the first thing here. So for I in suite, if suite of I is greater than or equal to 5, then I'm going to return. Okay, so instead of returning, I'm going to make one variable here, which is going to the final result. I'm going to put it as 0. So I'm going to make this max of res or 5. So if my res consists of the 5, I'm going to return flush in the end, right? If my res consists of 3, I'm going to return 3 of the kind. This is for the purpose that suppose in case I am running. Now I'll show you one case where this needs to go. Suppose my with the counter, if I have one rank as 1, then I don't want to go to the fourth one in the else part. So this is going to be if here, if else here, this is elif here, again one more elif, this is for 3, let's say this is for 3, this is for 2, and this is else. So suppose my first number is 1 with count 1. When I'm iterating over, not over suite, but when I'm iterating over the rank, my first number has a 1 count, then I'm going to go to the else, and it's going to return the pair. But I might have later is 4 and 2, right? So that in that case I need to return pair, but not what is that, high card, right? So that's why there needs to be, we need to get the maximum of all, like 5, 3, 2. That's why. Okay, maybe it will be more clear when I code it up. Now elif, okay, this is it, because we're going to work on the rank now, because suite is done, because we just check one condition on the suite. Next, so for I in rank, right, if rank of I is greater than or equal to 3, then I'm going to get res equal to max of result or 3, right, because I have 3. Elif, now I'm going to check the condition for pair. If rank of I is greater than or equal to 2, and this has to be in descending order, because if you have 5 max, then you do this and get out of there. If you have this, then you get this first. That's why. So res equal to the max of result or 2, whatever is max, else result equal to the 1, which is the least. Now I'm gonna make it max, whatever is the max, or 1, and it's initialized to 0. Now I have to return, now I have result updated, and I have to return the case, the string, depending on what's the value of the result. If res equal to 5, we are going to return flush, right? It's a string and it's case sensitive, so be sure. If res equal to what? 3, then we're going to return 3 of a kind. If res equal to 2, we're gonna return pair, right? Pair. Else we return, what do we return else? High card. There we go, we return high card. And let's see if this works. Collections is not defined. we need to bring the collections dot counter. Okay, C has to be small. Well, okay, that works. Here, return, I forgot return. Let's try it now. Okay, there we go, and it's accepted. So it's pretty easy